What's up everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm Michelle and today I'm back with another video. This hair is from Julia Hair and I'm so excited to get into this. Today you guys are just gonna watch me style this hair. I just used my wand, my curling wand, and I made these amazing curls. So quick and easy. This hairstyle is like an everyday thing. Like, this is just an on-the-go hairstyle. You don't have to spend too much time worrying about it, and the hair took the curl beautifully. So everything about Julia Hair will be in the description box down below. The exact bundle and frontal set that I got will also be in the description box down below, so make sure you guys go check them out. And before we get into the video, all my social media will be on the screen. Follow my Instagram, my Twitter, my Snapchat. Other than that, guys, let's get into the video. So guys, this is what the box is going to first look like when you receive it. It's going to say Julia Hair on it, and it's going to say 100% human hair, best quality, all that good stuff. Then on the side, it's going to have their social medias, Instagram, YouTube, Facebook. And now I'm going to go ahead and open up the box and show you what's inside. So we have 3 luscious bundles of 22 inches. Yes, y'all, I said it, 22 inches, and it's so long for 22 inches to touch my butt, and I'm about 5'4". So this is the frontal. The frontal is also 18 inches. It's Brazilian straight, and it looks long for 18 inches already. So let's go ahead and open this bad boy up. Guys, you could just tell it's good quality hair just by looking at it. And did I mention how transparent that lace looks right there? Oh my god. So I was so excited to try this frontal. Definitely, absolutely love the frontal. And now this is what the weft looks like on the bundle, just in case you guys were wondering how thick it is, because it is straight hair. And it is 22 inches. The longer the hair, they say the thinner it is. But this looks pretty thick. And guys, it also came with some lashes. So now let's get into me styling this hair, shall we? So this is what my hair looks like. I've been wearing the hair for a couple of days now, and I'm tired of it being straight. So now we're going to go ahead and curl it. So first, I'm just combing the hair to get rid of any tangles, any knots in the hair, because you don't want to curl your hair with knots and tangles all up in it. So we're just going to go ahead and detangle it. And guys, this hair is just so bomb. It held together so well. Absolutely loved it. But now it's time to curl it. Say goodbye to the silky straight. It was so straight. Oh my god. So now going in with the Brazilian Therapy flat ironing spray. Now, even though I'm not flat ironing the hair, this is also just a really good heat protector, and it smells really nice. So I like to use it before I put any heat in my hair, whether I'm curling it or straightening it. Now going in with my olive oil spray. This is just going to make the hair look more shiny when I do curl it. So I like to apply this before and after I curl my hair. Totally optional. But now I'm going to go ahead with my curling wand. And I just got this curling wand from my local beauty supply store. I paid like $30 for it. It works amazing, and I've been using it for months, so it definitely lasts. So I always make sure that I comb the hair before I start curling it, because you don't want to curl your hair with any knots in it. It's just going to make it harder to comb out, and it's just going to look sloppy. So as you guys can see, for the front, I'm kind of just taking medium-sized pieces, and I'm just not really focusing too much on it. I'm just curling it, very self-explanatory. But as it goes on, I'm going to start moving my curls up higher so that I have a more fuller look. And that's really what a lot of people don't do. They usually just curl their hair from like a certain point. But if you go like higher up, like I'm about to do right now, it gives you a more fuller look. And I absolutely love the look. So this is definitely something that you need to do if you want your hair to look more bouncy and look more fuller when you curl it. So as you guys can see, I'm kind of going back and forth from which side I want to work on. Usually I like to do both sides at a time, because I feel like it's just killing 2 birds with 1 stone. But for this one, I just really wanted to focus and make sure I wasn't missing any pieces. So I was just kind of going back and forth with it. Totally optional. So one reason I really like to curl my hair is because for some reason, I don't know if it's the flat iron or if this is just really amazing hair, but it's just such a quick process. This takes like maybe 10 to 15 minutes, 20 minutes if you really want to just take your time with it. And you can even do like looser curls or just take even bigger chunks and it'll be even quicker. Like this is such an easy and quick hairstyle to do. So I definitely recommend it and you end up looking so cute at the end. So I definitely love curling my hair all the time. So this is what it looks like when I finish half of my head. I finished this half and now I have to work on the other half. So I'm going to go ahead and come back when both sides are finished and we're just going to go from there. So guys, both sides are finished now and this is how it looks. Now you can definitely walk out the house just like this. You don't need to comb out the curls. But if you've ever seen any of my tutorials before, you know I love combing out the curls because it just gives a more wavy, natural look. And it also makes the hair look more fuller. So I definitely recommend combing out your curls. This is what I always do. I love the look that it gives me. And just look how much fuller it looks already. Like it looks better when you comb it out to me. Now you could just walk out the house just like this. But I want to put a few more products in the hair, just to make sure that these curls last a long time and they look as best as they can. So I'm going in with more of my olive oil spray. This is just going to keep it looking shiny and healthy. And it's also going to make it easier to work with, like combing through. And now I'm going to go ahead with my Foam First Memory Styling Foam. This is basically just like a mousse. And this is going to help any flyaways that I have. So I'm going to put this directly on the top of my head, all around. And this is just going to help my hair look more neat, more flawless. Like I said, get away any flyaways, and then using my wand, my curling wand, I'm going to basically make sure that those flyaways do not move. And also this is going to help lay down my hair even flatter because I feel like the flatter it looks, the more natural it looks. Last but not least, I'm going in with my favorite product, which is the Coconut Miracle Oil. And this stuff just makes your hair look so shiny for hours, and it just also smells really good. And it's just like something... It's like the product that you put in your hair last to just make it pop. Like, without this product, yeah, your hair is okay. But once you add this product, your hair is just gonna pop for, like, the rest of the day, basically. And this is the finished look. Stay tuned for my review on the hair and just a little more information on how the hair came out. So guys, as you can see, this is how the curls came out. They are super flawless, super bouncy. Let me show you guys. Do you see the way that just bounced back when you comb it? And just how luscious these curls look. Like, oh my god. This hair took the curls so well, guys. I'm so impressed. Like, I absolutely love this hairstyle. This is an easy hairstyle to do. I did this in like 20 minutes tops because, like I said before, the hair takes the curl magically. Like, you don't even have to hold your wand. You don't even have to hold your curling wand to your hair for too long. So I definitely recommend this hair. This hair is from Julia Hair. I have 3 bundles and a frontal in my head right now. The 3 bundles were 22 inches and then the frontal was 18 inches. And guys, this hair was definitely long for 22 inches. When it was straight, it touched my butt. And I absolutely love the length. The 18 inch didn't really like look bad knowing that it was 22 inches. 18 inches. It actually looked really good together. It looked like layers, barely. I liked the look that it gave me. Another thing I really like about this hair is that I didn't receive much shedding from the hair at all. It was so easy to style. I can't explain it, but like all I had to do is put some mousse here and the hair just looks so shiny, looks so healthy. I did not bleach the knots on the frontal, but I did pluck the part a little bit. And let me tell you guys, applying this frontal was so simple. Like, this is one of the best frontals that I've ever applied. Like, this came out really nice. So it was very easy. The hair was pre-plucked though, and it looked great. Like, when I say some frontals be pre-plucked and it be okay, but you still have to do a whole lot of work, or it doesn't look as good as it could be. This frontal was so pre-plucked, it was perfect. Like, it was just what you need. Like, you did not even need to pluck anymore. I didn't need to pluck anymore. Like, absolutely love the frontal. So if anything, definitely I suggest the frontal. But the bundles were also super long and really good quality. They feel really, oh my god, this hair was so silky straight. It hurt to curl it, but I was like, you know, I waited till I got a little tired of the straight hair so I can curl it, so it's like a new look. But I could have wore that silky straight hair forever. It was just so silky straight, and it looked bone straight, and it touched my butt. Absolutely love it. I definitely recommend Julia hair, you guys. I'm pretty sure you all have heard of Julia hair. If you have not, I'm here to inform you, okay? Their hair is good. Everything about them will be in the description box down below. Make sure to go check them out. And I love if you watch till the end. I will see you guys in my next video.